Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Building codes for mobile homes in high wind zones require that homes be anchored with tie-downs or ground anchors to prevent movement during strong winds. Additionally, wind zones I, 2, 3 dictate the construction standards. Zone 3, for example, requires homes to withstand winds up to 110 to 130 miles per hour. Always check with local building authorities for specific requirements.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.